Welcome to Hyatt Regency Miami. In this video, we're going to give you a room tour for this hotel that we are staying in for the first time. Let's get into it.
We're going to show you a tour, but you get an idea of how the streets are around the Regency. There's a JW Marriott Marquis. So for reference, that's Kimpton Epic. That's where we were staying. That's the water. That's JW Marriott. And this is the Hyatt Regency. All in walking distance. This whole neighborhood, it's really nice. Convenient if you have strollers or wheelchairs, no problem at all. It'll be very interesting for us to stay at the Epic and then now follow that up with Hyatt Regency, which is a older property. It's right next to a drawbridge that opens up, and you can see the lineup of the cars every time a bigger boat goes by. All right, Alia, let's go in. Check in, see if you can get our room. Hey, welcome to the lobby. It's a really nice lobby. It's big and wide. And look at that open space. All right, this is the lobby. You can see there is a skylit ceiling, which really adds to it. There is marketplace in the back and a bar in the back. There's more area and a pool out there too. Looks like convention center, and this is James L. Knight Center. Check-in desk over there, and what we found really cool was this seating area with the lights. We're gonna head up and give you guys a tour of our room. All right, welcome to the 22nd floor. We have room number 2226, but check this seating area right in the elevator bank.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
Okay, that is very neat. This was our balcony. We were on the 20th floor.
20th floor.
That was our balcony. We were staying at Kimpton Epic. We had a corner king balcony. If you want to check that video out, make sure you click around our channel. You will see it.
Now again, in this 3-day trip of Miami, we decided to make it exciting and stay in 3 different hotels each night and experience different neighborhoods. So today is final day of our trip, and we are in Hyatt Regency. We are coming from an amazing experience, and so far experiencing the lobby, we don't regret the transition at all. Let's see how we feel when we see the room.
And to be fair, it is an older hotel, so looking at the balconies here, they do need some coat of paint, but it's all about this view, and we have the view of the drawbridge and Kimpton, which is really nice. So let's go check out the room. By the way, they have a vending machine here as well, and of course quiet hours is 9 to 7. All right, 26. We are facing the water according to the front receptionist. Here you go. Okay, Alia is gonna go and turn on all the lights. As Alia is setting up the room inside, I can talk a little bit about how we got this Hyatt Regency. We booked it using points. I think it was about $250, but buying Hyatt Points on their site, I think we only spent about $100. So always on Hyatt site, you can check whether buying it using points is cheaper than getting a hotel room paying by cash or credit card.
You're all set, come on in.
Let's go in. Okay, let's start the tour from, this is interesting. It's very unique. Okay, I'm gonna right away go into this walk-in closet area. There's a fridge there, a locker, hangers, a shelf.
You can see the hairdryer up there, iron and ironing board. It's like a walk-in closet without doors, but it's a good space for your storage. You can put your luggage here, you can store your backpacks, your clothes, safe is there, and your drinks. So it is unusual. We're trying to see if we like it, but I actually like when it looks different.
I'm actually showing them this interesting wall. So you can see how this room is cut and divided.
Yes, a separate area for your sink. You have mirror towels, and then this is the door to your bathroom.
Okay, you have some Hyatt body wash, conditioner, soap, and toilet, and plenty of towels. Hyatt is giving out a Eco Botanics white tea and honey lotion.
Now moving on out of this place, we are entering the bedroom. You can now see how this is one room that is cut out and made a special area for wash basin and bathroom and the walk-in closet. Now this is your bedroom. We have 2 queen size beds, which Hyatt, we have never had any complaints. They're always comfortable. The pillows look nice, but only 2 pillows on each bed, which is unusual. With Hyatts, we always get 4 pillows on each bed, but that's all right.
Okay, there is a sound machine, a clock, a couple of outlets with USB-A's, a phone, and your central nightstand.
Now on the other side, you have your TV and some storage with massive drawers, always helpful.
Now, price comparison wise, we will say we are coming from Kimpton Epic. That was $350 for a single night. This one is very reasonable. It was only $100 using points. So from that perspective, I'm gonna give Hyatt its first win. And the first win is the TV is bigger here than the Kimpton Epic. We had 2 TVs there, but they were smaller than this one. Maybe we can actually connect to Netflix and watch
a movie tonight.
We can watch Godzilla -1 here. So I'm gonna give 2 points to Hyatt because of the bigger TV and the ability to connect Netflix, which I think is awesome.
And here you have your usual desk setup that you mostly get with most Hyatts. You have coffee, 2 water bottles, and ice bucket.
And you can see now the whole room. 2 double beds, plenty of walk-in area. There's a thermostat there as well that you can control. I'm gonna call it the awkward wall. But I would say it's a great deal. You're in downtown Miami. Now, we're going to move on to what looks like a balcony. But there are no doors to open this. This is just a window. So yeah, look, this may be a door at one point, but there are no doors, so you can't open this at all. And otherwise, this would have been a great balcony to like get some fresh air or check out the water view.
We still do have amazing window, and we're thankful for it because we do get a very nice view out of it. Now the room overall is a little bit strange and it's a little older room, but it makes perfect sense for us because we have an early morning flight tomorrow, so we only have a few hours here. But I hope this gives you an idea of what to expect. If you care about the neighborhood, this is a great deal because it's not too expensive and you have access to Biscayne Boulevard, Brickell, and heart of Miami.
So we're going to go hang out in the lobby. We're going to play some games. There is easy access to the water and the pool area. We're going to show you that next. This does remind us a little bit of Hyatt Centric in Long Beach, California. Do you remember Long Beach, California, Hyatt Centric?
Yes.
So again, there's a restaurant there, convention center, the lobby where we checked in, and escalators that will take you right outside. You can take some pictures by the boats as well. Just going to show you guys how easy it is if you stay here to just go out to the walkway right by the water. And you can check out the Hyatt here, and that's our building. Our room is facing that way. This is what happens to Alia when a plane flies by. She's checking it out.
Where is it?
But this was the drawbridge, and see, this is the walkway that you can walk all the way to Bayside shopping mall area, and here's the outdoor look. So one of the benefits of staying here is the easy access to this walkway. You know, come here and go for a stroll in the evening. is the history of Hyatt Regency Miami from 1567 to 1850. The Spanish and the Jesuit missionaries served the native population. The 1830s and 1840s, slave plantation occupied the ground of today's Hyatt Regency. On to 1891, the building became the home of Julia Tuttle, Miami's mother. Hyatt Regency Miami history and milestones. How cool is that? I've never stayed at a Hyatt Regency, which is like a regular hotel, really nice lobby, but with this rich of a history. So right when you enter, you see right next to the reception this wall of history talking about Hyatt Regency Miami. All right, let's head down. This is the next morning. Yeah, this elevator bank, it's really, really neat. All right, we're heading down. We actually had a really, really nice stay at the Hyatt Regency. I think if you get this hotel using points for like $100, $120, it's a great deal. The lobby is great, the location is great, the rooms are small, but here we are. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna catch you guys in the
next one.
Bye for now. Bye. Here, they need some pero count. Oh, they do need some coat of paint.